How to check region on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to General as shown. From here, you can manage your overall setup and preferences for iPhone, such as software updates, device language, CarPlay, AirDrop, and more. Scroll down and go to Language and Region as shown. On this page, you can select your desired iPhone language, set your preferred form of address, and choose a region. Check the region of your phone from here. You can also change the region if you want. The region setting also affects date formats, currency, and the units for temperature and measurements. Following these steps, you can easily check region on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.